Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 6 for Standard 12 HSC Board. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some examples from miscellaneous exercise 1. Question number 4. Tan inverse x tan inverse into bracket x upon 1 plus 6x square plus cot inverse into bracket 1 minus 10x square upon 7x. Solution: y is equal to tan inverse x upon 1 plus 6x square plus tan inverse. So this cot I convert, cot tan inverse 7x upon 1 minus 10x square. So y is equal to tan inverse. This I simplify. So try to understand, this simplification is very important. Bring this such that here the addition sign is here, sum is here, so subtraction should be this. Okay, so 3x minus 2x, so 3x minus 2x is equal to x, and 3x minus 2x into this is equal to 3x into 2x is equal to 6x square. Okay, addition sign here, subtraction, remember this. Okay, plus tan inverse here 7x is here, 10 means what, 5 into 2, and you want what, here negative sign is here, so addition should be this. Okay, so 5x plus 2x, that is 7x, and 5x into 2x is equal to 10x square. In this way you arrange the terms. Okay, now this is equal to y is equal to tan inverse, this is tan inverse 3x minus tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 5x plus tan inverse 2x. So this tan inverse 2x and this tan inverse 2x get cancelled, and this is tan inverse 3x plus tan inverse 5x, and therefore dy dx is equal to 3. So this is derivative of this is 3 upon 1 plus 9x square. So derivative of 3 tan inverse 3x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 9 3x square, 3x, that is 9x square, and derivative of 3x is 3. So therefore 3 is here, 3 upon 1 plus 9x square plus 5 upon 1 plus 25x square. Okay. Question number 6. Tan inverse, so this is slightly complicated. Tan inverse root under root 1 plus x square plus x upon under root 1 plus x square minus x. Solution: y is equal to tan inverse root 1 under root 1 plus x square plus x upon under root 1 plus x square minus x. So put x is equal to tan theta. Okay, x is equal to tan theta, so that this becomes sec square. Okay, so tan inverse y is equal to, so therefore y is equal to tan inverse under root 1 plus tan square theta plus tan theta upon root 1 plus tan square theta minus tan theta. If you simplify this, you will get tan inverse under root sec theta plus tan theta upon sec theta minus tan theta. So therefore is equal to tan inverse, I rationalize the denominator here, sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta upon sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta, because sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So therefore tan inverse under root sec theta plus tan theta square upon sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to tan inverse sec theta plus tan theta, okay, upon 1. And now differentiate. So dy dx is equal to 1 upon 1 plus sec theta plus tan theta square into sec theta So derivative of this derivative, try to understand. Tan inverse sec theta plus tan theta. So 1 upon 1 plus square of this sec theta plus tan theta square into derivative of this sec theta tan theta plus sec square theta. Simplify. So sec theta I take common into bracket tan theta plus sec theta upon 1 plus I open this 1 plus sec square theta, open this bracket, sec square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta, and is equal to sec theta into bracket tan theta plus sec theta, and this 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, this sec and this sec, add 2 sec square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta, and if you simplify you will get sec theta into bracket tan theta plus sec theta upon 2 sec theta into bracket sec theta plus tan theta. So this bracket and this bracket cancel, and sec and this sec is cancelled, simply it is 1 upon 2. So dy dx is equal to 1 upon 2 d theta dx, and substitute 1 upon 2 1 upon 2 into 1 upon sec square theta. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, so is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket 1 plus x square. Okay. Question number 5. If root y plus x plus root y minus x is equal to c, then show that dy dx is equal to y upon x minus root y square upon x square minus 1. Okay, solution. Given root y plus x plus root y minus x is equal to c, differentiate with respect to x. So is equal to 1 upon 2 root y plus x into derivative. So derivative of this dy dx plus 1 plus 1 upon 2 root y minus x dy dx minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore simplify this dy dx upon 2, simply you multiply inside 2 root y plus x plus 1 upon 2 root y plus x plus dy dx upon 2 root y minus x minus 1 upon 2 root y minus x is equal to 0. And therefore dy dx, here take dy dx common into bracket 1 upon 2 root y plus x plus 1 upon 2 root y minus x is equal to this, you transfer on this side. So 1 plus 1 upon 2 root y minus x minus 1 upon 2 root y plus x. Simplify this dy dx into bracket. So this you add, equalize the denominator. So root y minus x plus root y plus x upon 2 root y plus x into root y minus x is equal to root y plus x minus root y minus x upon 2 root y minus x into root y plus x. So here denominator equal, so cancel this. Dy dx is equal to root y plus x minus root y minus x upon root y plus x plus root y minus x. Now here you rationalize the denominator. So dy dx is equal to root y plus x minus root y minus x upon root y plus x plus root y minus x into root y plus x minus root y minus x upon root y plus x minus root y minus x. So this is equal to, if you simplify this is a square, so I make square of this x plus y plus x plus square of this y minus x, okay, minus this into 2 root y plus x into root y minus x upon this y plus x minus y minus x. So this is 2y minus 2 root y plus x into y minus x upon, here you simplify, y plus x minus y minus y minus y plus x. So this y get cancelled. So 2, you take 2 common, 2 into bracket y minus root y square minus x square upon 2x, 2 get cancelled. So this is equal to y minus root y minus x square upon x, and now then split up this denominator, y upon x minus root y square minus x square upon x, take x inside the root, y upon x minus root y square minus x square upon x square, and now then again you split up. So dy dx is equal to y upon x minus, so this is y square upon x square minus 1. Okay. Question number 2. If x is equal to root 1 minus y square plus y root 1 minus x square is equal to 1, then show that dy dx is equal to minus root 1 minus y square upon 1 minus x square. So given x into root 1 minus y square plus 1 y into root 1 minus x square is equal to 1, differentiate with respect to x upon 2 root 1 minus y square. So here you use u into v, minus 2y dy dx plus root 1 minus y square plus y upon plus what y, d dx is what 1, and now derivative this y upon 2 root 1 minus x square, derivative of this is minus 2x plus root 1 minus x square dy dx is equal to 0. So simplify this, minus xy, this 2 and this 2 get cancelled, minus xy dy dx upon root 1 minus y square plus root 1 minus y square minus xy upon 2 get cancelled, root 1 minus x square plus root 1 minus x square dy dx is equal to 0. So this dy dx you bring here and take common, dy dx into bracket root 1 minus x square minus this xy upon root 1 minus y square is equal to xy upon root 1 minus x square minus this root 1 minus y square. I adjust the term here, avoid what negative. So dy dx is equal to root 1 minus x square, so here you simplify, into root 1 minus y square, subtract this means equalize the denominator, minus xy upon root 1 minus y square, and here you simplify xy into xy minus root 1 minus y square into this root 1 minus x square upon root 1 minus x square. Okay. Now today it is enough. Remaining part I explain you in the next lecture. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.